to stand on track. They want that old Rocky back. Compare me to bitches that's whack. I'm speaking facts. I'm a big bully to hoes. I'ma pull up where they at. These bitches can't scrap. Fuck it, these bitches can't rap. Fuck it, I shoot at they cap. Bitches bring problems and I like to solve them. Bitch try to run, she get hit from the back. I'ma dissolve them. Fuck it, I'ma kill all them. Bitches don't be where I'm at. I do not call them.
I have a filter on right now. Okay guys, I know I look ghetto. This stuff on my bandana is glue, because this is what I use to lay down my hair. So that's what y'all are seeing. I did not know y'all could see that. I look so ghetto. I look like a hot mess. But right now we're in Bank of America. Everybody's at the bus to go to my mom's job so he gets a dog, stuff like that. And I'll go home with the dog, stuff like that. And we ready? How can I get Metro card to you? There's a store right there. And we just, I think so. We just went to a dog store down here that we know, and we got the dog carrier because we didn't have one. And so yeah, so we're about to get a Metro card for me because I don't have a Metro card. I don't come outside, we alone take the bus or the train. So we're gonna Metro card for me, and then we're gonna go to her job. We're gonna get the dog. I miss you. Oh. I'm so sorry I didn't record for the rest of the day yesterday. It's because JR is like new to us, whatever, and he's very shy. I know. JR is really shy right now, so he's not really comfortable with us. But I'm tired because we're walking to the vet, and we're walking really fast because we're really late. It's 6:30 something. Supposed to be there at 6 o'clock. Okay, right now JR is in the vet, and we gotta stay outside because of COVID or whatever. So we're just getting comfortable outside. There's a lot of cute dogs out here. We love it. I don't know if y'all can hear me. So right now we're in PetSmart to get a couple of stuff for him because he doesn't really have them and stuff. And plus he has a pink leash and a collar. So we need to change that. So this is him. Say hi, my baby. Say hi. So we got him some blue collars. We have a blue leash and a harness, and then we got him a separate food bowl for his soft foods. Not the diapers. Girl, it's the diapers for me. You want a diaper? You say you want a diaper? Look. Okay, we're going home. My dog has my mom has JR because my back was hurting. So yeah. She over here laughing at me because I'm vlogging. It's not funny. Hey guys, this is like a couple days later, but this is JR/Gucci. He is a Yorkie Poo, which is a poodle and a Yorkie. His mother is black and his father is a Yorkie. And look at him, he's so cute and pretty. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share to a friend, and comment down below if you want to see more of JR. Bye. Say bye.
Bitch, did you hear what